One day, I got laid off from my job. One day I walked in the office, said, want to meet you, want to see you. I was working at a church. They said, hey, that was your last Sunday. Pack stuff up, we just don't have enough money to pay you anymore. That's when I became a piano technician. It was from that moment, and it was do or die. It was do or die. It was do it or I was going to go broke. So that's how I learned all these techniques. I learned them fast. Hey guys, I'm Eric Roberts from Apex Piano Technicians Network, and I want to tell you something. Today, it's not as hard as you think to make $100,000 a year tuning pianos. Now, you have to do very specific things in order to create this type of income, but I know technicians all over the country who are doing it. And if you look at and study the average technician's income, and this is average technician's income, it's not $100,000, but you can read on the internet where they show you that yes, there are guys making 80, 90, 100, 120,000 doing service piano work, doing daily tunings for churches, homes, schools. It's not that they're doing all this other stuff, but they're actually servicing clients in the field, and they're able to make a lot of money. One reason for this is because nationwide, there are not enough piano tuners. There are not enough young piano tuners in the industry. And a lot of the piano tuners are passing away. They are retiring. They're leaving their client base just looking on the internet for a piano tuner. So never before in the history of piano tuning has there been such a great opportunity for young piano technicians to come in using all the modern tools like the Sanderson AccuTuner and the Shark tuning hammer and all these modern tools that we have to create a great business. But look, it took me 10 years. Well, it took me about 5 years to get to that level, to get to where I was making a lot of money tuning pianos. And in the beginning, it was a struggle just to get one client, just to get two clients. I used to say if I could just do one piano tuning a day, and then I changed it to if I could just do two piano tunings a day. And then I was doing so many piano tunings every day that I couldn't do them all. I had to bring in my friend Todd, my business partner Todd from other businesses, and he became a piano technician in very short time, and now he's doing sometimes 15, 20 pianos a week. Look, in order to get to this level, you have to do so many things right. There are several things you have to do really good. That's charge the right amount. Focus on the main thing. The main thing has to be the main thing. Tuning, regulating, voicing. If you get off on rabbit trails, if you get into all kinds of weird stuff in the industry, and it's all in there. If you get into, I'm going to rebuild a piano, and I'm going to do this, and I'm going to start moving pianos, and I'm going to do all these things. That's fine. You can do that if you want to. But if you want to make a lot of money, like my mentors taught me, stick with the main things. Service, field technician work, and be the best at it in your area. That's a big key. Now, the Apex Piano Technicians Network, Todd and I, can help you do that. It's not just an overnight fix, but it doesn't take years and years and years. It's not like getting a college degree where it's 4 or 5 years and then you're hoping somebody hires you. You can start working with us now. You can go to the Apex Piano Technicians Network website, apexpiano.com. You can become a member. If you can get really focused, and I know that not all of you are going to do this. This isn't going to be for everybody, because some of you just want to tinker around. Some of you just want to go to all these conventions and learn all these different things. And I'm like you. I was just like you. I tried to rebuild. I tried to get into all these other little niche industries in the piano. Tried to do all this stuff, and I kept coming back to my mentors, and they're like, "Hey, you got to get the main thing. You got to tune, regulate, voice." They kept telling me, and I'd say, "Oh, I'd go try this," and I'd come back, "Yeah, I did a big job, but by the end of the day, I could have just tuned a couple pianos a day, and I would have made more money." So don't make those mistakes. Don't make the mistakes I made in those early 3 or 4 or 5 years. Now I'm leading thriving business, Apex Piano. It's the highest rated piano tuning company in our markets in Dayton, Ohio, and in Nashville, Tennessee. And I have several techs working for us. Todd and I have the school, and it's all because we focus on the most important things, and we know how to price our services, and we know how to get ratings. These are very key items. Now, yes, we can tune a piano. Yes, we can fix all of the things that need to be fixed. There are things you're going to have to do. In the beginning, you don't get a phone call for a piano tuning because they just need a piano tuning. You get a phone call usually when you're new because there's a broken key or a pedal has fallen off. So it's very crucial in that early time, and that's when you don't know everything, to be able to repair all of those little things. We teach you how to do that stuff in a lot of our materials. We teach you how to do field service tech to become the best, highest rated, and all of that stuff. Throw out all the noise and get right to it. Endless hours that we have talked over and changed over and fixed over and worked over, and systems we've put in place and then we've thrown out, and more systems we've created and thrown out, until we've arrived to how we're making so much money doing this now with so much ease in terms of the business system. It's repeatable. We get all of our bookings online. We charge almost double of any piano tuner in our areas, and we still get work. There are things that you think couldn't happen, but that you can make happen if you use the methods that Apex has learned. I've learned this from my mentors and from friends over the years as I was building. I was pretty much obsessed. So if you're willing to become obsessed with growing your business, with becoming a really good piano tuner, with really doing good work in the field, becoming an Apex piano technician, you can become that today. Todd and I are there. We're ready to help you. But you got to take those first steps. You got to take those first steps. You'll be willing to take all the noise, push it aside. Say, I want to be the best. I want to be the top. I want to be the most highest paid. And I want to have the less drama, the least amount of drama in my company. And where are you? Are you in Idaho? Are you in California? Are you in New York? Wherever you are. Whatever anybody's told you about how they're running their businesses, and whatever everybody's told you about how you should charge, and whatever they've told you about how you should tune a piano, you can just sort of let those things stay on the fringe, and you can focus in on the business system, the techniques, the repair techniques that we do. They're fast, they're easy, they're repeatable, they're easy to learn, and they make sense, and people love it. They'll give you 5 stars every time. Every time. Do the work, go in, get the pay, get out. Become an Apex Piano Tech today. Go to apexpianotechnicians.com. I can't wait to meet you guys. Look, at some point in my piano tuning career, I was kind of discouraged because I would give out good ideas. I would tell piano tuners, hey, I did this, look at this idea. And they would poo-poo the idea. Poo-poo the idea. Or you can't do it like this, or you shouldn't be doing this or that. So then I just quit telling people, and I know that's how this industry is. So we are going to tell you our secrets. We're not going to bullcrap. We're not going to only tell you this much. We're going to let you in, and we're going to show you how we do it, show you how we do the business. We're going to show you how we do the in-house work. We're going to show you what we do and don't do. We're going to show you our voicing techniques, the ones that are fast, make a lot of money. It's not rocket science, guys. This is piano tuning. This is business. This is real life business. And I know that if you're trying to become a piano tuner, if you're still watching this video and you're trying to become a piano tuner, you want to make money. You want to make money. You want to be successful as a piano tuner. I can help you get there. Todd can help you get there. That's where we're at. We want to help you get there. So let's get together. Let the noise fly off. Let all the poo-pooers will poo-poo, because pretty soon they're going to go, what the heck? This guy's getting all the business. What the heck? This guy's getting all the ratings. What the heck? Every time I look at Google, I see this guy on top, and everybody's calling this guy. You want to be that guy? Let's do it together. apexpiano.com.